Hello everyone. I'm your doctor from Patiala Heart and Multi-Speciality Hospital. Today, let's talk about heart attack warning signs and what to do in an emergency. A heart attack isn't always sudden chest pain. It can feel like tightness, pain in the jaw or left arm, breathlessness, dizziness, or cold sweats. These symptoms may come on gradually or all at once. If you suspect a heart attack, call emergency services immediately. Every second counts. Keep the person calm and seated. Loosen tight clothing and ensure fresh air. If they collapse and stop breathing, start CPR. Push hard and fast in the center of the chest. Take care of your heart and follow us for more health tips.